Today I'm here with my sister and I will interview her using 5 interrogative questions starting with what, which, who, whose, whom. So let's start. What hobby did you learn during this pandemic?
During this pandemic, I learned how to bake cookies and cook pasta.
Okay. Which American singer do you like the most? Ariana Grande or Taylor Swift?
I like Ariana Grande the most.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Antonio.
Whose dog is barking outside?
It's the neighbor's dog. Nakalimutan ko yung doon.
To whom did you get your inspiration to get fit?
From our mom.
Okay, bye!